Good evening, good morning, wherever you are able to read my setup. I'm sorry for sharing it my weekly market review for this week. I'm having a little challenges with my internet and my laptop. Quick one. Before I consider placing any trades, I love trading any US dollar pair, and most especially when you are trading cryptocurrency. We all know that all cryptocurrency are trading against US dollar. So I firstly consider the strength of US dollar, in which if you look at what really happened this day, you can see that the numbers of cryptocurrency are dropping massively, not the number of cryptocurrency, all cryptocurrency. But this dropping will not stop. Why? Because according to DXY, the price still needs to go and respect one particular zone in which it has not reacted to that zone up till the moment. I will share you this DSY. This DSY tell us about actually the overall market behavior and what is likely to happen in the nearest future. If DXY is selling, expecting every cryptocurrency to be buying. If DXY is buying, expecting all other cryptocurrency to be selling, like and some other currency pair as well like that. Now this is DXY on weekly time frame. This is what I have. When price dropped all the way from here, uh, here is my own demand zone and supply zone. I'm expecting price to come back to this supply zone. If possible, then from here the price will drop. That is my weekly view. But there's another key information. If you check all other history, let me clear this one first. Let me clear all these indicators. Okay, if you check, we know that what we normally do in cryptocurrency market is that we combine history present to determine our future. But based on the history, do you know that this the DSY is still coming to somewhere around here? DSY coming to somewhere around here. This is another demand supply zone. Whatever, if you are trading the other block, there's different name they normally call it, either fag or pre or whatever you know it. I'm less concerned with the name they call it. My own is that I trade in the market price action. So and I trade what I say. I don't have to trade it what other people feel. And besides, you don't need to know the name of all those things. The most important thing you need to know is just to know how all these things behave. How does this market behave? How do people react in the market? The psychology and emotional behavior of people in the market. That's things you need to consider. You can only learn and do better if you pay attention to price action and pay attention to most of the activity that is going on the market. Now we are having another supply zone here, this one, in which price is yet to respond to that one. If price can reverse all the way from here, hopefully we expect all the cryptocurrency to start buying bull up again. Anything can happen. But somebody like me, I'm still expecting DSY to react to this one and break this one. Why? If DSY can manage to break this one, then expect DSY to go up, in which we are expecting massive drop down of many cryptocurrency. On monthly time frame, if you check this thing on monthly time frame, we have this on monthly time frame. This is our monthly chart now. So that is why I say I'm still seeing some cryptocurrency Bitcoin as able to drop down as low as maybe $5,000. It is possible. If you check here now, based on DXY, we are talking about the DXY now. If you check here or here, or bring the history back to here, if you don't know this, if you don't know most of this thing, then I think it's the high time for you to go and learn it, because cryptocurrency and other forex trading are taking I mean is the global thing, global business the number of youths of these days are doing, in which if you are trading cryptocurrency or forex, I wish you good luck. You should be profitable trader very soon if you pay attention and show your consis ten in the market, and if you are not greedy, because this business is not a get quick rich business. Get rich quick business. Now if you look at it here now, When price fall all the way from here, you can see when price first rally all the way from here, that is around 1990, like now 1972 here, price goes up. We expect the price to come back all the way from here again, then price break up. From here now, price instead price to go back from here, price break this level, touch it, first touch, second touch to give us M, drop down again. Now it's going to touch it again. Probably if you touch it, you can start selling. And if you didn't touch it, if break here, you can go here. But I still have every confidence that 90% assurance that the price will eventually break this support. When price break this support, this is the next target using demand and supply zone, which here will be our order block, major order block here. Here's our major order block now. Here a monthly time frame, now another one here, another order block here, demand zone. We have marked it already. Now if price can react to this one, price here started selling, break here or go up. Now this is a monthly time frame for you to see that if this thing keep buying to this level, Bitcoin will keep selling massively, gold will keep selling massively, other cryptocurrency will keep selling massively, euro USD will keep selling massively. And to connect this thing now, for every buyers we have this breakout and retest here, breakout, breakout. Has it done a successful retest? Some people will say yes, it has done a successful retest because price refers here two times. I don't know whatever your bias, but at the end of the day, price will still, I will tell you something, at the end of the day, price will eventually come back to this level again. This level. You don't need to ask me why. Go and learn how to trade demand and supply zone and enjoy being a profitable trader. Yeah, fine. Now if price come back to then here, reason is this, you can see that numbers of maybe your numbers of month or year price keep ranging all the way this one, and when it's breakout, retest, retest, people say okay, it is time for buy, then started buying. Boom, anything can happen, but expect a perfect retest. If state is around here, in which this price will eventually still come back here. It might come back here until maybe price react to this one here, when then the next selling will be here or here, then before it finally starts buying again. That is the case of DSY. But but we can't focus on this one because it's still going to take a lot of time. This is monthly chart, but what we are talking about now is a daily time frame that we use to take our daily profit for those who are scalper or switch or position trader. Now, if you switch to daily time frame, I have one interpretation that I don't need to share you a weekly time frame. Daily time frame. On daily time frame, we have this information, this perfect and beautiful information. This is the reason why I have never been in any trading position. This is why I never opened any position today. Now, if you look at here, you can see that on daily time frame, you can still tell the overall direction of this market. The reason is this: if you look at here, pin bar, but it's still indecision candle to me. This one sef still is show indecision candle until it show perfect pin bar or engulfing candle, because I can confirm that this price is still going to sell from here. Now we have our key support here now, resistance here now, but you can see that the yesterday this price has never closed between breakout, or there has never breakout from yesterday high and low. So price is still ranging within that yesterday candle. Where is the yesterday candle? The yesterday candle is this current this previous candle, this last candle is the yesterday candle. And if I want to mark it, I can mark the yesterday candle high and yesterday candle low. Now I will be taking decision on if price finally break out from that yesterday candle high and low. At the end of the day, if you switch to lower time frame, this price is a ranging market. It will be consolidating or go up, down, go up, go up, down, go up, down. Now, Another thing, if you have an eagle eyes, like I used to say, if you connect here to here, this is market price action. In lower time frame, you see that it is a perfect trend line up in which here price has breakout, did a successfully retest. This successfully retest, we are expecting sell down to this level on DSY market. So it's going to sell all the way from here down to here. Confirmation number one. Confirmation number two. Now let's check our 15 minute time frame to see possible information, because every time frame has its own useful and its own advantages. Now if you look at here again, this is our 15 minute time frame now. Now you can see the way price is ranging from this 15 minute time frame all the way from here. Look at the ranging, like I said to you, it's a ranging market. And if you look at this activity is about 2 to 3 days activity, in which DSR keep ranging around this one. Now come here now, interpretation, perfect interpretation is here now. I want to zoom in so that you people can understand this. This is perfect interpretation. That is what I told you. That is why I'm not in any trade today, because the price has not given me valid confirmation either to buy or to sell. But at the end of this analysis, I will give you a final conclusion on what you should be expecting. Now look at this. This is the trend line. Now market did a one perfect information here. If you look at here, let me zoom it well so that you can see. Now I have one information to explain to you. Now, if you look at here, we have extended M. To those of us who know about market structure, extended M is here, here. Wait, let me draw it perfectly for you. Sorry. So, the two should be picked by now. Okay, we have perfect M here. I mean, extended M here, in which we are expecting massive selling. At the end of the day, the price did what? Sell all the way from here down here. Eventually, it give us another thing here again. Go back. Finally, it break the trend line down to this level. You can see here we have head and shoulder here. After the head and shoulder, I'm expecting the price to go back here again, and the price did what? Go back there. You can see, so keep ranging since then. Now what you should be expecting now, don't expect the price to just break down to this level or just to this level. They are going to give us the information that we need. The only thing we need is just patience. Eventually, when these people want to confuse us, this market maker want to confuse us, maybe on Wednesday or tomorrow, which is Tuesday, they might decided to do something like this. So they might decided to do one thing. For what I personally expecting in this market now is either the price break out here to confuse numbers of people that okay the direction exchange, but when you get to this level again, we are now having double top, or to even break this high again. Boom. Now they have cleared this double top here, give us new high. Then what will happen? It will now start selling all the way from here. DSY will now start selling all the way from here. By the time DSY starts selling all the way from here down to here, you will buy Bitcoin, you will be buying Bitcoin, you will be buying gold, you will be buying Euro USD, you will be buying GBP USD. It's telling us that the US dollar is temporarily weak for that moment. This one now, with this information now, it has shown us direct that the price is still coming down to here. But instead of that move to happen today, the move didn't occur. It's still ranging. Before tomorrow, it might end up break out here, then started selling or push the price up here and started doing what? Selling. Anything can happen. That is the information on this side. Now, if you now switch to, let's start from gold now. So, so USD. Let's start from gold. Yeah. On gold, we have this information on 15-minute time frame. The bigger the picture, the bigger the profit, the lesser the loss. Now, let's look good here. Actually, the bigger I said, like I said, the bigger the picture, the bigger the profit. Let's start from 4 hour time frame. I should have started on daily time frame, but I won't start from daily time frame. This is what we call technical analysis. So to those of you that don't really understand it, I think you can go and learn more. It doesn't necessary for you to come under me to learn all these things. There are a lot of strategy you can learn. This is here, this level happen to be years back support, 1, 2, 3, 4, in which I have been expecting this support to have to broke out, to broken, and which fakes to broken. Look at the number of times this place has got, maybe 3 years ago. Here now, this is 2001. All this one is 2001 activity, but if you switch to the bigger picture, I think it's about 3 years support. Finally, the support has broken out here, clear broke out. You can see I even have the setup already. I don't even know. So you can see the support has broken out already. Now the max movement which you should be pay attention to now. You can't see this picture clearly, but let me pick it from daily time frames so that I can give you more information about this one. Now this is daily time frame. The maximum you should be expecting gold to move here now is this. We expect this movement from here, price go back, look at the way price react to this one, they'll come down to give us double bottom. We expect this same issue again from here, that we have like double information here. To those of us that understand market structure here, if you know about double information, in which we expect gold to go back here again, or to break it, to break the neckline and start buying normal. But instead, gold didn't go like that. Still, what really happened when price get to this one, goes up a little bit, then they drop the price to break the all-time support. Now, the area of concentration now is this. Now, since price range and break this support, somebody like me, I will mark here area in which the maximum move I'm expecting gold to go move here. That is from here now, when price get to this one, start selling massively again, because we are now in sell direction. Breakout, retest, breakout, retest. Though e might not hit there, there's nothing in this scenario now. I'm just analyze this one should be about maybe 80% sure, because we still have a clean and clear resistance here that has become, I mean, clean and clear support here that has become resistance now. So e might not even move above this above here before e started selling massively now. Now you can still consider this place. You can see that I have one particular line drawn here, here. So price can you can see that their price is still respecting that zone until price break above here, expect the price to hit here, then started selling. Now on 15 minute time frame, you can see a lot of information on 15 minute time frame, or preferable on 1 hour time frame. So you can just spot your entry on 15 minute time frame. That's all. Now, so let me remove this odd. Let me remove this one now too. Now you can see the way price is react here. Now is the long time support that broke. This is the resistance. You can see the way the price goes, drop down, go back there, fail to break up, come down again, ranging, come down. It's going back there. If possible, if price finally break it, congratulations, you can now see that our trend is perfect. This declared trend now, fine. Now it's just something like this breakout. Here is the retest, perfect retest here, where you look for confirmation to buy. So if you hold your buy, you can just lock your profit, because here is the TP. To those of us that understand market structure, now if you buy from here, here is your TP now. So imagine if price can break here, break up here. If my price break here, wait for retest here, immediately enter retest here, you join the buy, your TP is here. From here, price can started selling massively again. But if you omit price buy if you omit the if you miss the buy opportunity here, you miss the buy opportunity here again. There's no point for you to buy here and put your stop loss here. Just wait, price can come back all the way from here again, down here, you join the buy or break, retest. When you retest here, that is opportunity for you to buy. You can even buy long. But here now, price is still ranging within yesterday activity. That is why I don't even bother myself to place any trade position, because it ranging. It's either I break out here or break out here before I take decision. That is good. Let's check out that for good. Let's check Euro USD as well. So on Euro USD, similar interpretation. On Euro USD now, expect nothing more. Look at it. Look at this perfect trend line. Do you have any other information there? I don't need to check a bigger time frame. So you go and learn about that on your own. So you don't need to join buy trade now. Actually, this trend line has broken. Like what I do, this is perfect shift in market structure. Sorry, perfect market check structure. Some people might call you or whatever strategy say as the price breakout. Vim. We are expecting price to come back here now before you join the sell again. Now, but you can see now that even though if you are using a technical approach view on 15 minute time frame, look at here, resistance, our resistance is here, our support is here on 15 minute. I'm talking about 15 minutes now. There's no point for you to join buy or sell for now, because here as well, all this one as well is still ranging between yesterday activity, between yesterday high and low, until price breakout. Is either breakout up or breakout down. What I mean by ranging is here. So if price break this ranging, you are looking for opportunity to trade. That is why I love trading market. I don't trade or ranging market. I only wait for price to break out from ranging market to take the advantages of the market. Initially, what can even happen today is maybe at the end of the day you can just see maybe they drop the price down to confuse people. Vim, everybody say the market has started selling, so now we now buy from here and say here is your target. No, because this price they will also fill that gap. That is what they call it in BTMM. They call it maybe market for aid or whatever name they call it, but I don't really understand the name because I'm not the founder of my ICT. So my own is just to study the market and observe how they work. It's what I have experienced in numbers of times. So eventually when you think that you buy from here, your here is TP. No, you now buy all the way from here while your TP will be here. From here again, you will now join the sell massively. Buy one get two free. That is USD. Even BTC, you see that Bitcoin will be ranging as well, BTC USD. Okay, Bitcoin even did expected now. Look at Bitcoin this evening now. Let me take Bitcoin back to 1 hour. Wow, it didn't take a trade. I know this will happen. Now this is Bitcoin on what? Oh, I missed this entry today. Oh. On 1 hour, I missed this entry. I missed the entry. You can imagine Bitcoin here, perfect trend line, breakout. Now look at what I'm trying to say now. Breakout, go up, price came back to retest, did they successfully retested to even break this support. Now you can imagine what really happen here when you say this support has broken and you are looking for retest back and join the sell. Look at what really happen here now. Now but if you check here is going to correspond with another information from previous day or month. But somebody like me, immediately I see this kind of structure, I actually know that I need to buy Bitcoin. And you can see that even though now Bitcoin might not even continue this buying now since it has stopped there, because you can see this trend line has broken out, breakout with test buy. But consider this as well. So expect Bitcoin to come back to here first to respect here. So this buying that will occur now, it might just be to deceive people, because somebody like me, I'm expecting that Bitcoin to set down to here. After set down to here, I will now look for opportunity to buy, or if finally break out here, wait for the test, then Bitcoin is now going down to around 12,000. That is the technical analysis behind Bitcoin. And if you check other cryptocurrency as well, they are all ranging for now. Like for now, let's look at opusdt. Most of them don't give you, they are all moved by Bitcoin performance, and not Bitcoin performance, they are moved by they are moving according to dollar strength every day. They are all moved by dollar strength, nothing more. Now look at this opusdt now. Look at where I keep my eye, say opusdt, I have this setup that okay, look at the ranging, look at what happen here. They still finally bring the price down here. No, I missed most of this region. Serious. The time is coming. Look at here now. Some people say, okay, they have filled this now. Now look at this, what is really happening now. We believe that if you buy from here, you are going to buy long. No, this price that break out from this trend line, expect this price to react to this one. From here, you can buy from here. And see whatever is the information that gives you, you can buy from here. So I'm not moving by what activity that when maybe somebody buy is making profits. No, 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 no. Everybody actually know what they see in the market before they place a trade. I trade what I see. Now I will just stop here just use DXY to cross check all the setup you did. DXY is currently ranging, it doesn't give me any clear direction, so there's no any clear evidence or bias for me to take any trade either to buy or to sell until I'm seeing a new breakout, clean and clear new day or new day low breakout before I can take decision. If you find it very difficult to understand this strategy, there are a lot of book about other blog, a lot of video for those people who find it very difficult to pay mentor to teach them what technical analysis is all. They just think that they can't teach anybody, they can't pay anybody to learn. When good luck to you, if you want by chance, good luck to you. But if you struggle and learn the skill to to make profit, I say congratulations to you for you to have acquired a skill that can feed you for the rest of your life. It's not about baby game, it's not about gamble, it's a skill set business that can feed you for the rest of your life. Business practiced by most of all organizations in the whole world globally is the forex. So pay at ten tion to the structure, try to learn a new thing. Don't think that because the money amount you are going to pay is too much, you can even use that money to trade instead of you to pay somebody to learn. There is important in acquiring skill. No age, knowledge and no age is very important. Learn before you earn. There's nothing special about all this. I can remember that back then, maybe about that is 2017 when I started this journey as well. I look at it that can I even know all this thing stuff, all this rubbish. Though I pay a lot of wrong people before I get the right source, and the right source even now pour the knowledge on me, then I can do whatever. Don't still see anybody as professional. Maybe don't say that I can't know more than this person. Even you can do more than your mentor. I remember a lady that teach me. I know that currently I have done a lot of research. Even to the numbers of mentors I have, those people that teach me, I know the number of research I have done for me to have my own trading style. If you say you are trading btm and let's consider you are trading ICT, everything but ICT I'm trading them. My own is just to pick the useful information from the strategy, combine it with my own technical analysis and use it to make a profit. Eventually all the setup I did on this video, you will see how the market will react according to them. But don't misquote me, don't put all the analysis into trading simply because do your own back testing as well, because I'm not a market maker. I don't have the capital to compete with market maker. I only trade what I see and follow the market maker according to what they see in the market as well. So regarding this opus, let me just give a final conclusion on this one. This one is going to give you a reasonable money. If you are on buy, just hold your buy for now. As it is, this one is likely to move. I don't recommend you to buy it because I can see it keep supporting, although it's 1 hour, but it matters a lot. So this price might eventually come down here, then go back, started selling. But here is the target. If you started buying normal, your target is here because price range all the way from here to your last other block here, demand supply, so is here. So good luck to you. Thank you for paying attention to this video. Thank you for watching. I'm still that Olale Abidemi Taofeek, forex and crypto trader. I mentor, I teach technical analysis both online and offline only if you have all it takes to learn it. So it's not a force. But if you feel somehow that the money you are going to pay to learn the skill is going to take you, if you see somebody that's going to teach you for free, follow that person and pay attention to him, learn the little you can learn, just because the person that wants to teach you for free can never give you the full information, because he also pay to learn the skill. So whatever is free don't ask value. So pay to acquire perfect information on the cryptocurrency market before you think that the cryptocurrency market is just about buy and selling. It's not about buy and selling. It's about every activity that concern you in real life. To those people who has blown account like me, will surely explain that to you. So thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for my next video. Thank you.